Good morning, guys. Joe Burgess. Welcome back to the channel. I got a pretty interesting tool haul for you guys today. It's going to include some repair manuals and some tools. Just came across this. It's pretty interesting. It's like a very much consignment store, or it's a store where a guy usually picks stuff up, and usually whatever's there usually sells off. So in this kind of case, it's got to be tools and some manuals. He had some old repair manuals, which a lot of times you never know what's going to come in, and you just never know. So a lot of times I pick some of those up as well. So let's give you a quick overall of both of them actually. So start off with tools first, because that's a pretty easy one. Yeah, a little SK set. Didn't have everything. It has 7 through 16. It was a nice little set, and yeah, I picked it up for $6 actually. So not a bad little set. I can pepper a few in there, fill in the missing ones, and make a whole set. Those arrows already in a rail, so I figured, it had some 3/8 SK sockets on there, so I figured that would be a start. So, I just picked it up, and for $6 you can't go wrong. That's a buck a socket. So that was a nice little pickup. But the other part of it, just got a few wrenches, a little extension, and a hammer. The snap-on line wrench. It's 1/4 inch and 5/16. It's a pretty small one. You probably don't use that much too often. So, but it was there. I picked it up. It's Martin Tools angle wrench. It's 1 1/8 inch. That was a $10 pickup. It's a nice little wrench to have. And 1/4 inch Proto extension. Looks like a 10-inch extension. That was a nice little one. That was like, I don't know, like a buck or something like that. And the little 4-ounce Vaughan ball peen hammer. Same thing. I think that was like $2. Probably brand new condition, but it was just a little mini one, guys. So that was just the tool part of it, and I figured I'd share it and show you guys. But yeah, and the most interesting part of the tool haul was the repair manuals. He had a big stack of them, and I kind of went through them, and I figure every once in a while, I'd pick up the newest ones, and different types of material, in the books that covers. You know what I mean? Because a lot of times, we still use books. Mostly we're using computers now, but every once in a while you got to turn to a manual or a book. So you really can't see back here, but I have pretty much a library of books in the back there. It goes all the way down. Some of them are covered up, but most of them are in there. You know what I mean? I got a wide variety of manuals and stuff like that every so often when I need them. You know what I mean? I even have a factory Corvette manual way deep back in the buried in back there, which I think is for Camaros. It's a factory manual. So, but actually, yeah, every once in a while when I come across stuff like this, the price is right, I'll pick them up. So a lot of times you never know what the years of the cars are gonna be. So a lot of times I don't know what I'm gonna be working on. I could be working on a '99. I could be working on an '02 or '03, '12. 6. So you never know. But most of the time it's older model vehicles. So these books come in pretty handy. These manuals come in pretty handy. So at $5 a pop, you can't go wrong. And it's a few more to add to my collection. And like I said, every once in a while you got to turn to a manual. So I figured it'd be nice nice addition to into the shop. So I end up picking them up. So I figured I'd share that with you guys. So all right, guys, just gonna start wrapping it up here and just show you guys a quick one today. So all right, guys. I will see you guys all in the next one. Please like, share, subscribe. Thanks so much.